Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation is focused on the diagnostic trouble code DTC B12E4, which indicates a high-level failure in the electric steering lock system, specifically associated with component MTRCUT2. The Honda Accord 2023 Plus model is equipped with advanced safety and steering systems that communicate through the body control module. The failure of MTRCUT2 signifies that the control module has detected an abnormality with the electric steering lock mechanism. This can lead to potential issues with the vehicle's steering lock functionality, impacting safety and drivability. The purpose of this guide is to assist technicians in identifying, diagnosing, and rectifying the fault represented by this DTC. The diagnostic procedure outlined will ensure that the problem is accurately diagnosed, considering all components involved, thus restoring proper functionality to the steering system. The DTC B12E4 indicates a high-level failure within the electric steering lock system. The primary component affected is the electric steering lock, which is critical for securing the vehicle's steering system when the ignition is off. This component is integrated into the steering column, making it more susceptible to issues that can arise from mechanical or electrical failures. The body control module plays a pivotal role in monitoring this system and flagging abnormalities by storing the DTC. If the module detects an issue with MTRCUT2, it triggers this specific fault code to alert the technician to investigate further. Understanding the location and role of these components is essential for effective troubleshooting. The potential causes for DTC B12E4 include a variety of issues that can affect the electric steering lock system. A faulty electric steering lock may directly lead to the failure indicated by the DTC, often requiring replacement if confirmed defective. Additionally, the body control module, which oversees the operation and monitoring of the electric steering lock, may itself be malfunctioning, leading to erroneous fault detection. An open circuit in the wiring, particularly affecting the MTRCUT2 component or associated ground connections, can also trigger this fault code. Each of these causes necessitates a careful inspection of electrical connections and the functionality of the components to ensure a proper diagnosis and resolution. Symptoms associated with DTC B12E4 primarily revolve around the operation of the electric steering lock. One common symptom is a malfunction of the steering lock itself, where the steering wheel may remain unlocked even when the vehicle is in the off or locked position. This can significantly interfere with the ability to secure the vehicle and may lead to security vulnerabilities. Additionally, drivers may notice difficulties in starting the ignition, as the steering lock mechanism could prevent proper engagement. Lastly, the illumination of warning indicators on the dashboard is typical, signaling to the driver that there is an issue with the ignition or steering lock mechanism. Identifying these symptoms can lead technicians toward a more focused troubleshooting effort. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC B12E4 involves ensuring that the number B22 and number B29 fuses are operational. Given that these fuses are part of the circuit contributing to the electric steering lock system, checking them for continuity is crucial. A blown fuse could easily disrupt the function of the electric steering lock and cause the DTC to trigger. If either of these fuses is found to be faulty, replacing them will be necessary before continuing with further diagnostic steps. It's important to visually inspect the fuses and conduct a continuity test to confirm their operational status, ensuring that the circuit can function correctly. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC B12E4, the focus turns to the external circuit, specifically the MTRCUT2 and ground (GND) connections. Begin by performing an open wire inspection on the MTRCUT2 circuit while the vehicle is in the off mode. It is crucial to ensure that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance in the circuit to confirm proper connectivity. Similarly, conduct an inspection on the GND circuit, checking for any breaks or discontinuities that may impact the electric steering lock's operation. If high resistance or an open circuit condition is detected, that would indicate a fault in the wiring leading to either component, necessitating repair or replacement to resolve the DTC. The third troubleshooting step in diagnosing DTC B12E4 involves inspecting the electric steering lock itself. Since there isn't a direct method to test this component, it's advisable to replace it temporarily with a known good electric steering lock. By doing this, technicians can check whether the failure reoccurs or if the DTC clears. If the failure is reproduced with the known good component, it indicates that the issue lies elsewhere, likely involving other circuit components or the body control module itself. Conversely, if replacing the electric steering lock resolves the issue and clears the DTC, it confirms that the original electric steering lock was faulty and needs replacement. This method ensures accuracy in diagnosis and minimizes unnecessary component replacements. The final troubleshooting step for DTC B12E4 requires inspecting the body control module BCM. If all other components appear to function correctly, the BCM is responsible for gathering data from various systems, including the electric steering lock, and is a critical piece of the vehicle's electronic architecture. If the electric steering lock and electrical circuits pass testing, but the DTC remains, the BCM might be at fault, requiring replacement. It's important to perform a thorough examination to ensure no underlying issues exist within the other connected systems. Confirming the functionality of the BCM will finalize the diagnosis, allowing for proper repairs and restoration of the steering lock system operability. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC B12E4, the final repair verification stage is crucial to confirm the effectiveness of the troubleshooting process. Start by clearing the DTC from the body control module to reset the system and eliminate any lingering fault codes. Once cleared, it is imperative to perform a test drive of the vehicle, monitoring for any signs of the steering lock malfunction or related warning indicators reappearing. This test will provide an opportunity to observe the functionality of the electric steering lock under real-world conditions, ensuring that the system operates effectively. Successful verification indicates that the problem has been fully resolved and that the vehicle is safe for normal use. To prevent future recurrence of DTC B12E4, a proactive approach to maintenance is essential. Regularly check the number B22 and number B29 fuses to ensure they are intact and functioning. Fusion failures can lead to more extensive electrical issues, so early detection is important. Additionally, routinely inspect wiring connections leading to the electric steering lock and body control module. Look for signs of wear, corrosion, or loose connections, which could compromise circuit integrity. Incorporating these preventive maintenance steps into the vehicle's routine service can help ensure long-term reliability of the electric steering lock system and can reduce the likelihood of similar DTC occurrences. In conclusion, DTC B12E4 represents a significant issue within the electric steering lock system of the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. The troubleshooting process outlined involves a comprehensive inspection of multiple components, including the electric steering lock, body control module, and associated wiring circuits. Each step in the troubleshooting guide serves to systematically eliminate possible causes, ensuring accurate diagnosis and effective repair. Understanding the role and interconnectivity of these components is key to successful resolutions. Preventive maintenance practices are crucial to avoid potential future issues, reinforcing the reliability of the vehicle's safety systems. By following these guidelines, technicians can maintain optimal performance and safety in the Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.